Today in this channel, let's have a look into Matrix Ecommerce MLM Software user login demo. If you are new to this channel, previously we have uploaded the same on Matrix Ecommerce MLM web page demo, and we have also uploaded the videos on binary investment and e-commerce MLM software demos. Check on to the description below for the links. Matrix MLM plan is a fixed level plan where you can have the level plans like 3 into 4, 4 into 4 and 3 into 3. It's all depend on the width and depth. Based on your MLM plan, you can customize these width and depth. In this video, you can see the user login features. We are an MLM software development company in Chennai, Anna Nagar, running more than 16 years, successfully completed 800 plus projects. Now let's get into the video. As we previously discussed in the videos, this is the home page, and for the user login, first we have to register. In the register, just click onto the sponsor ID and you will automatically be refilled the sponsor name, and below type in your password and your PAN card number and clear the security code. After clearing the security code, register. After registering, you will be redirected to the login page. In the login page, just type in the ID that you registered before and the password and click on the login. After login, you will be redirected to the user login demo. This is the dashboard that you can view as a user, and this dashboard you can see the overall statistics in the point of user, like the total referral bonus, level bonus, purchase bonus and all. Total referral bonus means the bonus that you have received from referring, and the level bonus refers to the bonus that have received by completing the levels, and it is an product MLM. Purchase bonus means that the bonus earned by purchasing a product, and indirect purchase bonus refers to the bonus earned by the purchases by your recruiter. Like if you have recruited a particular person and if he or she purchases a product, you will be earned indirect purchase bonus. And next is the total balance amount you have, and next is the matching bonus amount. So in matching bonus amount, the particular kind of income will be fixed from your recruits, and that type of commissions is referred to as matching bonus amount. And below is the copy link, and this is the referral link given to recruit other members. And next, what kind of plans you have subscribed and your name and profile ID and how much amount you have and how much amount you have withdrawn is details is seen in this dashboard. And next is overall purchase details. In overall purchase details, you can see the purchase you have done and whether it is failed or not, and how much amount you have requested and earned. And next tab is my profile. In my profile, you can see the overall details of your name, your last name, your sponsor name, your sponsor ID, and also your personal details like your PAN card number, date of birth and your bank details. And below you can see the nominee details like who you have nominated. And this is how my profile tab works. And next, if you want to edit this profile, you can also edit this profile by clicking on edit profile and just edit your first name, second name, last name, and all details are seen in edit profile. And next tab is purchase history. In purchase history, you can see all the details of your product purchases. As it is an product MLM, you can see how much products you have purchased and how much amount you have spent on that product, and bonus how much you have received and whether the status is approved or pending. All details are in purchase history. And upload profile image means nothing that you can upload your profile image, and if you want to change your password, you can also change your password in change password tab. Next is send withdrawal request. As a user, you have to send a request to admin when you want to request a particular amount, and this is how send withdrawal request tab works. So you can see what kind of request you have sent to your admin and how much amount and which date and whether it is transferred or not details. And next is cancel withdrawal request. In cancel withdrawal request you can see how what withdrawal have been cancelled and whether it is pending or not. And next is genealogy structure. In genealogy structure you can see the overall map of your matrix MLM tree, like who are below you and their user details. And next tab is commissions. In commissions you can see referral bonus payout, level bonus payout, purchase bonus payout and matching bonus payout. Referral bonus payout, as I said earlier, referral bonus means the bonus earned by your referrals, like how much amount you have received and from which user and the date is mentioned. And level bonus payout means the bonus received by completing a level, like what level you have completed and how much amount is received and which date. And next is purchase bonus payout. As it is an product MLM, the purchase bonus refers to the bonus earned by purchasing a product. Repurchase bonus means whether you have repurchased a particular product, and indirect purchase refers to the purchase from your recruiters. And this is all the purchase bonus tab works. And next is matching bonus payout. As I said earlier, matching bonus is the type of income fixed commissions from your recruiters. So it will be whether it is an referral bonus or repurchase bonus depends on your recruits and whether what reason you have earned and how much amount you have earned and on which date is seen in matching bonus. And next is e-wallet. So e-wallet is the amount you have in your wallet, like whether it is credited and debited and how much balance you have, and these all details are seen in e-wallet. In e-wallet you can also see the type of commissions you received, whether it is credited or debited and how much balance you have in your e-wallet. In details are seen in this overall details. And next is mailing system. Our MLM software have a unique system on mailing system to communicate within the internal members. In mailing system you can see the recent mails here. If you want to send a mail to a particular user or admin, you can check on to the compose mail and type in the subject and message and to whom you have to send, and click on to their profile ID and just click on send. And next is inbox. So inbox refers to the mails that you have received and outbox refers to the mails that you have sent, and forward mail means the mails that you have forwarded and read and under details. By clicking on back to profile you will be returned to your main dashboard. And next is upgrade membership. Upgrade membership means you will be logging into this user demo by purchasing a particular membership package. So if this package is expired, you need to upgrade this package, and that is how upgrade membership tab works. As it is a demo, this package is not expired, but you can always customize this based on your MLM plan. And next is e-pin management. So e-pin management means indirect referral, like you can bring a member through e-pin. So in this, as a user, how much e-pin you have bought and whether it is active and how much there is in pending and how much it is used details are seen in e-pin management. And next is delivery list. As it is in product MLM, you can see whether the products that you have bought is delivered or not and how much amount you have spent in that, and whether the product is dispatched and the status that you have received or still it is in pending. And you can also view your invoice. In the invoice you can see the seller details and also the buyer details, and in the invoice you can see whether the payment status is approved or not and also the dispatch date and everything. and when you click on back you will be redirected to your main dashboard. And next is cart. So cart is nothing but the products that you have bought to buy, and you can always see in the home page you can add a particular product to your cart, and this cart will be visible in this tab. And next is my wish list. In my wish list you can add your favorite products in my wish list. And next is logout. So if you want to log out from this user login, you can click onto the logout, and that's all the user point of view user login demo. And these are all the features of an user. But if you want to change the user features and all, you can change it in the admin panel based on your MLM plan. And based on your MLM business plan, you can always set your commissions to your users, and these details will be uploaded to the users here. And in the next video we can see admin panel and what kind of features does an admin have, and that will be uploaded later. So keep on following our channel to know more.